Hi, it's Kelvin Marsh in Taunton, Somerset. I wanted to talk about doorbell video cameras. I've recently got a new one. It's the Tapo D235, and Tapo are part of the TP-Link group, and the reviews were very, very good for the unit, but of course it was all down to whether I could use the app. And I downloaded a couple of apps from different manufacturers. Some of them were so bad I couldn't even put my username in without getting in a right pickle. But the Tapo app, completely different. Everything was so accessible. So the doorbell itself, it's a video camera with internal batteries. The batteries apparently will last up to 7 months, but it can also be hardwired. So I've gone for the hardwire option. You can either subscribe for a cloud service, but it will take an SD card. So that's what I've done. When it's hardwired, it can do 24/7 recording, which is really useful. And I've got to be honest, in the app, you can see all of the saved clips. It's very easy to bring them up and then even share them with Seeing AI, for example, and get a description. The way the recordings are monitored is quite interesting. You can have AI monitoring, so you can have person detection, vehicle detection, pet and package detection, or you can just set it up for general movement. So I've switched off movement and I've just said person and vehicle. So those are triggered, and so far it's been 100% accurate. When you go into the recordings, that's all very accessible, and you can see the timestamp, you can see if it's a person or a vehicle, and you can either just play the thing through, or, as I say, get it described by AI. The doorbell itself comes with an internal Chime unit, which you plug in, you pair. That's very loud, and you can put that almost anywhere in the house. You can also have it announced by your Alexa devices, and it also has an external chime, so when somebody's pressing it outside, they know the thing's going off. It will also ring your phone, and it rings through just as though you've got a phone call. So you can do the magic tap, answer the phone call, if you like, and you can hear what's going on outside through the speaker or through the doorbell's microphone. But if you want to talk to them, you've got to tap the mic button, but that's very easy to find. It just comes up on your screen. You have to unlock the phone with Face ID, and you've got a couple of options. I just tap on microphone and then I'm talking to them. So it's a shame that it's not a true answer the phone type action, and you get two-way communication, but it is two-way. It's not walkie-talkie like. You can both talk at the same time. I can't say enough about this unit. It really is exceptional. It's on offer at the moment. I got it for £90 reduced from 120, and highly recommended. If you want a unit that you can have full control of, use all of the settings and not get frustrated by what is quite a complicated app, but as I say, all fully accessible. So that's my tip, a Tapo D235 doorbell.